This is URK 19 CS 1093, experiment number 5, Prim's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree in a graph. So let's see the output code. So here, for to know the number of vertices in the graph, we are declaring constant int b equal to 6. And this code is for the function to find the vertex with minimum key value. So this is a function called min underscore key, where it passes two arguments, key array, integer array, and a boolean visitor array. Inside that, we are initializing min as 999, comma min underscore index, which will represent with 999 represents an infinite value. Then we are using a for loop where v equal to 0, v less than capital V, where capital V is equal to 6 and v plus plus. And inside the for loop, we are checking using if condition that if the visited of v equal to false and key of v is less than min. If both the conditions are true, then vertex should not be visited. Then we are storing key of v equal to min and v's value into min underscore index. Coming out of the for loop, we'll return min underscore index. Then as the function to print the final MST stored in the parent. This is the function print underscore MST, where they pass two arguments, parent array and cost dimensional array, where inside that we are storing min cost as 0 and we are printing h and weight. Using a for loop, we are declaring I equal to 1, I less than capital V, I plus plus, where we'll print parent of I equal to I, then it will print cost of I, parent of I, then it will calculate the cost of I of parent of I plus min cost, and it will be stored into the variable min cost, and it will print the total cost as the min cost. Then as the function to find the MST using adjacency cost matrix representation. Then inside a function called find MST, we are passing an argument cost of V. Then uh, V of V. Then we're initializing all the arrays as we are inside that we are declaring integer and boolean variable. Then using for loop, we are initializing I equal to 0, I less than V, I plus plus. Then we are storing 999 into key of I and false as visited of I, and minus 1 into parent of I. Then we are initializing key of 0 equal to 0. This includes first vertex in MST by setting its value, key value to 0. Then we are storing parent of 0 equal to minus 1. That is, first node is always root of MST. Then the MST will have maximum v minus 1 vertices, so that we are using this for loop where x equal to 0, x less than v minus 1, x plus plus. Then finding the minimum key vertex from set of vertices not yet included in the MST, we use u equal to min of key, where key and visited as the arguments. Visitor of u equal to true, where it add the minimum key vertex to the MST. Then to update the key and parent arrays, we are using another for loop where v equal to 0, v less than capital V, v plus plus. Then cost of u of v is non-zero only for adjacent vertices of u. And visitor of v is a false for vertices not yet included in MST. Key of gets updated only if cost of u of v is smaller than key of v. Okay, using if condition, we are checking cost of uv not equal to 0 and visitor of v equal to false and cost uv less than key of v. If these conditions are true, then it will store u into parent of v and cost of uv value into key of v. Then we are printing the final MST using calling the function print underscore MST, where two arguments is there, parent and cost. Then coming inside the main function, we are initializing an integer array called two-dimensional array called cost v. where it will print enter the vertices for a graph with the 6 vertices. We are asking the user to enter the vertices, and the entered vertices will be taken into a for loop where I equal to 0, I less than capital V, I plus plus, and inside the for loop another for loop will be used where j equal to 0, j less than capital V, j plus plus, and we'll print cos of I of j. And coming out, we will go call the function call, that is find underscore mst cos. So it will go to that function and it will return 0. So let's run the program. So here the ender vertex for a graph 6 vertices. Okay, we are entering 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 2, then 4, 0, 6, then comes 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, then comes 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, then comes 2, 3, 1, 0, 4, 0. So this will be the h and this will be the weight, and the total cost will be 11.